Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Brian, and we're doing a Monday mail call. So, got a couple things in the mail today and a few things last week, and one thing we got a little while ago, but we wanted to add that into a mail call video, so we're going to do that all together right now. We're going to start off first with Mr. Jared B. Models. So, thank you. Oops, almost dropped the card. Thank you very much, Jared. That is an awesome card. This bike looks like it should just start up and drive right off the shelf, sir. Very nicely done, and that's kind of a killer backdrop wallpaper there too. I sort of dig that. But yes, thank you, Jared, for the card. I appreciate that. That's going to go into the binder of fame here in a little bit. And then next we have Dan over at 60s Rule. He gave us his new shop card also, and these are really cool. These classic advertisements from back in the day. So thank you very much, Dan. And then also that little van build there, that is just too awesome. I really like that, and I don't mean to block your stuff there, but if you want one of Dan's new cards, got his contact information down below. And thank you, sir, for the very kind words on the back as well. Appreciate that. And now over to the Hobby Dude 007. I've been waiting for this card, and I was wondering how he was going to come up with it, but it had to be Petty Blue, right? So there we go, and a decal. So we got a card for the Binder of Fame and a decal for the Toolbox of Fame, which is sitting right behind me. And thank you, Mark, for the very kind words in the back, sir. Very happy to oblige you. And then finally, we have Mr. Doug Hensley. He's got a new card out, and I've been seeing other folks get these, and I was like, hey, why didn't I write? Well, it turns out Doug actually tried to get a hold of me and let me know that he was sending out new cards, needed my address, and I dropped the ball on responding to him, so I apologize, Mr. Doug. But yes, thank you very much for the kind words in the back. I will let Mrs. BG know, and I tell you what, man, I'm really into vets these days. I like that car. I like the sunburst going on here. It really makes me think of the state flag of Arizona. That is pretty sweet. And then, I mean, just looks like a movie sign, right? So this is very cool. Thank you guys for the cards. So we love doing shop card swaps with y'all out there. We have new shop, another order of shop cards on order. So we're waiting for those to come in, and we can send some more out. So if you're waiting for a shop card, that's why. Something happened the last time we were filming over at Luca's house for the Model Car Guys videos on YouTube. We were filming with our buddy Brandon, and we were all heading out the door to go over to Andy's, and there was a box on the porch there that had just been delivered by the mailman, and it said, you know, it had Luca's address and everything on there, and then it said 4BG. So I was like, hey, how fortuitous, right? So open up the box, and inside is this. I just get a kick out of this. Is awesome. I'm going to leave this in the plastic baggie for right now because it I don't want this to get onto every other project I ever build, but we got the coolest looking Corvair. Look at this here. Now the name on the box is Tony Leonard. So Tony, I really love this. This is just so cool. We got all different sorts of colors on there, all sorts of different kinds of glitter. Even got some brown glitter. I didn't even know they had brown glitter, or I guess that's copper. But this is too cool, and it's going to stay in this little baggie here until we can get a display case for this. And yes, this will go into a display case, and I will proudly display this in the living room with all of my other models and Corvairs and stuff. So, sir, that is awesome. Thank you very much. I'm going to put that back in the box so nothing happens to it. Now, with all that taken care of, mail call Mondays are my favorite day of the week. With all that taken care of, we're just going to make a couple announcements here that we went to, of course, the Desert Scale Classic over this last weekend. Mrs. BG did an awesome job filming both the model car displays and the vendor tables, which I was one of. And yes, I was bad. I came home with just as much as I had sold. But in my defense, we were sharing a table with Jonathan Stevens from Peden's Garage. And he came in with a cartload of stuff to put on the table. And me and my buddy James Tester from Scale Model Experiment just started handing him money and taking stuff off of his stack. And he's like, guys, I'm not going to have anything to sell to the people when they show up. And we're like, we don't care. But we got some cool stuff. Stash ad video, we're working on that right now, getting that all edited up. So we're hoping to post that mañana, which would be Tuesday. So look forward to that. But at the show, we took home some hardware. A little bit of a surprise on our part because we know that the competition at that particular show is fierce. Fierce, fierce, fierce. All right, so we had John Teresi. If you're not familiar with John Teresi, then you're not a model car fan. And I mean, Chuck from Chuck's Hobby Spot was there. Let's see, James Tester was there. He took a first place in a category he was in, which is, I think, a circuit track or something like that. And a category I don't really mess around with and everything because I know who the guys who build for that. I'm like, nope, don't want any part of that. But don't want to feel left out too much, so I don't get into that one there. But I did enter the 40 Ford, and we'll put a picture in here for that. And then we also won for the dump truck, the auto car dump truck. We'll get a picture in here of that also. So yeah, how about that, guys? It was a killer show. We weren't sure, coming back post COVID and everything, how big it was going to be, and I think it was big enough for what we could handle right now. So things like this are going to be growing in the future, and we're really hoping that that show, does its best and everything like that. We also have other shows that we're going to be going to this coming Saturday and Sunday in Southern California. We're going to be going to Sprue Fest. Here is a slate for that. And then we're also going to be going to Art Show, which will be the following Sunday. So there's a slate for that here too. And yeah, we have a very busy weekend planned for us. So it's going to take us 4 days to get 2 days of stuff into it. So yeah, that's how busy it's going to be. But we're looking forward to getting out of the Arizona area and having some fun, seeing some family down in Southern California, and possibly a couple of friends, YouTube friends down there. That would be really cool if we could meet up with some of those guys. But, schedules depending. So we're going to go ahead and sign off now. You guys have a great Monday, and we'll see you a little bit later in the week in other videos. We'll talk to you later. Bye now.